Do you appreciate the finer things in life? Are you looking for an exquisite two-bedroom townhome in Canada? Hi, I'm Jeff McGowan, and I'd like to welcome you to 54 Callahan Private. This quality-built and beautifully upgraded luxury executive townhome backs on wooded parkland and offers only the finest quality finishes. Come on in and have a look. I hope you enjoyed your visit to 54 Callahan Private. If you were impressed with the luxury spaces and fantastic location of this lovely townhome, and you'd like to get further information, or perhaps to book a private showing, please contact me. Thanks again for taking the time to visit, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.